What's the meaning of carrier? Carrier. Carrier.
Carrier. Carrier. The term carrier can have several meanings depending on its context. It can refer to a person or company that transports goods or people from one place to another, such as a shipping company or airline. It can also refer to a substance that carries or spreads diseases or genetic traits. In the telecommunications industry, it refers to a company that provides wireless network services. Overall, carrier can be broadly defined as anything that conveys or transports something from one place to another.